The origin of credit, ATM is for cars, when banks tried drive-up banking. Picture this. You're sitting in your car, rolling down the window, and instead of ordering a burger and fries, you're pulling cash right out of the bank. Today, drive-up ATMs are everywhere, but their origins go back to a time when cars were booming, banks were experimenting, and convenience was becoming king. The story begins in the 1930s, when automobiles were transforming daily life. People wanted speed, mobility, and efficiency. Banks saw an opportunity to serve these car-loving customers without forcing them to leave their vehicles. In 1930, the Grand National Bank of St. Louis opened one of the first drive-up banking services. Instead of machines, there were human tellers behind glass windows, serving customers as they pulled up. It was a revolutionary banking without stepping out of your car. But the real shift came decades later, in the age of automation. In the 1960s, banks began testing machines that could dispense cash using special cards, early versions of today's ATM. The first drive-up ATM appeared in 1961 in the US, where customers could insert a card or a voucher and withdraw cash instantly. At first, people were skeptical. Could a machine really handled their money safely? But the convenience was undeniable. By the 1970s, the technology spread worldwide. Drive-up ATMs began popping up in suburban neighborhoods and near shopping centers, designed for people constantly on the move. Banks added features like vacuum tubes similar to those at drive-thru pharmacies, so customers could send deposits or checks without leaving their car. Some even offered talking machines with audio guidance, making the process feel futuristic. Credit cards made drive-up ATMs even more powerful. Instead of just pulling out cash, customers could manage accounts, pay bills, and transfer money all while sitting behind the wheel. The idea fit perfectly with car culture, especially in the United States, where drive-thrus for food, movies, and even weddings already existed. Today, drive-up ATMs are still common, though mobile banking apps and online payments have reduced the need. In some cities, they've even become nostalgic reminders of a time when banking was all about merging speed, cars, and convenience. So next time you roll down your window and tap a screen at a drive-up ATM, remember you're part of a tradition that began nearly a century ago, when banks realized people wanted their money as fast as their fast food.